Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share a tool that's going to make your online research a whole lot easier, especially if you're juggling multiple search engines, AI chatbots, and social media platforms. It's called SeekAll, a free browser extension that brings everything together in one place. When it launched unproducted on August 31st, 2024, it immediately shot to the #1 spot for Best Product Release of the Day. It's racked up nearly 600 upvotes so far, which is a pretty big deal. This kind of reception shows that SeekAll is solving a real problem for a lot of people. So, what exactly does SeekAll do? Imagine being able to search across AI search engines like Perplexity, popular AI chatbots like ChatGPT, traditional search engines like Google, and even social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok with a single click. That's what SeekAll offers. Instead of opening multiple tabs and flipping between them, SeekAll organizes everything into one convenient tab where you can easily compare the results. Now, let me show you how easy it is to get started with SeekAll. First, you'll want to install the extension, which you can do directly from the Chrome Web Store. Once it's installed, you can access it by clicking the SeekAll icon in your browser. From there, it's as simple as entering your search query and selecting the platforms you want to search. For example, let's say you're doing some research on a trending topic. You can choose to search on AI engines like Perplexity, AI chatbots like Claude, traditional engines like Google, and social platforms like YouTube. SeekAll will open a new tab with separate tabs for each of these platforms, allowing you to compare the results side by side. If you're someone who likes to customize your tools, SeekAll has you covered. You can tweak the extension's appearance and behavior by clicking the gear icon in the search interface. Options include setting your default new tab page, choosing to keep or remove search history, and even adding custom platforms. If you're looking for a way to boost your research efficiency and streamline your workflow, SeekAll is an absolute must-have. It's free, easy to use, and incredibly powerful. Give it a try, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tool recommendations.